Hey YouTube, Darren here. I want to show you what happens when you take off a governor on a mower. As you can see, it exploded. I bought this riding mower from a guy that said it all ran great, and of course he didn't have the deck on it, and so he was playing out in the woods in it, which nothing wrong with it. I do the same thing, but he had tried to adjust the governor out to where it would run more powerfully, and as you can see, it doesn't do much of anything now. It just exploded, and the oil is still very, very hot. And again, it's one I should have had it taped because this would have been a good one. The whole bag just blew out. It was running, and I'd already adjusted the governor down. Back to normal, and it didn't do any good. By that point, the damage had already been done. And so it blew the ever-living shit out of it. Let's see what we can do. Yep, kind of sucks. See if I can get us in here and take a better look at it. That's pretty good. It's a hell of a pop. And as you can see, I am covered, and the really real sucky bitchy part of it is I gotta clean my driveway again. Oh well, if it was easy, everybody would do it. Oh, here's another good side of it pooling. Yeah, how about that? Yeah, kaboom. But more to come later. Bye bye.